To send money from Cash App to your bank account, so firstly go to your Cash App, log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, so first thing you need to do is you need to link your bank account if you want to send your Cash App to your bank account. So first you have to link it. To do that, click on your profile, which is on your top right there. So just click on it, and once you're on your profile, from here all you have to do is click on linked banks. So this will show up the linking page. So click on the linked banks option here, and from here what we're going to do is select link bank and then plug in the details of your bank account to which you want to send the money to. So just click on link bank and plug in your bank details and link it. So once you've done with the linking, then you'll go back to your home screen. So go back to your Cash App home screen here. So from here what we're going to do is, if you want to withdraw the balance or to send the money from the balance, so you hit on this withdraw option, or sometimes it says cash out. So just tap on the withdraw or cash out option, just tap on it, and it's going to ask you so which type of transfer you want to do, whether you want to do an instant one with a little small fee or just a standard one without any fee. So choose that based on your preference. So for example, if it's standard without fee, just click on standard. Okay, once you click on that, and there you go, that's it. Your amount now will be sent from your Cash App to your bank account and on Wednesday, and that's pretty much it is. And you can just click on done to complete the process, and that's basically pretty much it is.